Welcome to this deep, relaxing meditation that will help you release any tension or stress from your body. Before we begin, I would like you to fully accept and allow the healing to happen. Take a moment to say in your heart, I allow my body to heal physically, emotionally, and mentally. I allow my body to heal physically, emotionally, and mentally. Before we start, you can repeat this phrase as much as you want. Take a moment to let go of any unwanted thoughts or worries that you may have. Allow yourself to fully release any concerns about the past or future and simply be present in this moment. If you find yourself worrying about your job or any other external factors, acknowledge these concerns and then release them. This is your time to focus on yourself and let go of any outside distractions. Find a comfortable seated or lying position with your arms and legs uncrossed, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds and exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, bring your attention to your toes. Allow your toes to relax completely, feeling a sense of release as any tension or tightness melts away. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding your toes. This warm light is healing any pain and stress in your toes. Now bring your attention to the soles of your feet, imagining them sinking deeper into the ground with each breath, and imagine that golden warm light doing its healing magic on your feet. Now bring your attention to your calves and visualize the light releasing all the tightness or tension. As the light moves upwards, allow your knees to relax completely. Feel a sense of ease in your joints and thighs, releasing any tension or tightness that's bothering you. Now bring your focus on your hips and lower back, allowing any tension or tightness to dissolve with each breath. Imagine your spine lengthening and your shoulders dropping down away from your ears. Let your belly soften and your breath become even more effortless. Now moving up to your chest. Allowing your rib cage to expand with each inhale and release any tension in your chest and upper back with each exhale. Let your shoulders and neck release any tension or tightness, feeling them become loose and free. Visualize a bright green light coming out of your heart as you allow it to heal. Visualize your heart opening up slowly and the green light spreading and covering your entire body. Feel the warmth of this light relaxing your entire body. Now focus on your arms and hands, feeling them relax and release any tension. Let your fingers gently curl into your palms, feeling a sense of warmth and relaxation. Finally, bring your attention to your face, relaxing your jaws, forehead, and eyes. Allow any remaining tension to melt away, feeling a deep sense of calm and relaxation throughout your entire body. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the sensation of relaxation and calm spreading through your body. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling fresh and rejuvenated.